Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how you can change seller profile information. After logging to seller panel, you will see this dashboard page. Now scroll down, go to profile, click on edit profile. Here seller can change his profile informations. It has so many options to change, like profile picture, Pinterest, Reddit, and all other social media links, a bio regarding yourself, postcode, your address, phone number, the most importantly, country, service cities, service area. The system will available your created all of service in this country, in this service city, in this service areas. So this is very important for seller to set those things properly. And to change image, click on this button. To change profile image, you have option in here. That's all for set up your profile as a seller in Qixer multi-vendor on-demand service marketplace. Thank you so much for watching.